Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Huion Kamvas 12, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the function buttons on this device. To do it, you just need to open the Huion tablet application. Here, please click Pen Display, press key, and here we have keys. And we can change it right now. For example, I want to change the shortcut. I want to use Ctrl Z, for example, and here Ctrl Shift Z. Okay, and you can do it with other buttons too. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.